If this was during stock market hours and we wanted to run a straddle, okay? This is our call, remember? This is our put. So one is up, one is down. Okay, we're looking at it like this. One up, one down. We're going to put a line here. We're going to put a line here. These are our stops. Okay. So if this is during market hours, guys, this is great for Fed meetings, right? FOMCs, right? All the weird stuff, the big movers. Okay. These are great for this. So here's what we have. Let's say up here I had $100 on my call, and let's say my put was 120 bucks, right? So I've got my stop right here. So what this means is if it goes this way, my call gets stopped out and my put continues to run. So my put continues to run. So what that means is the small amount of money that I lose on my stop, let's say I lose 20 bucks, okay? My put will more than make up for it because now my put takes over because it doesn't get stopped out and it just continues to pay. Does that make sense? So I'm hedging it both sides. So I get to play both sides, right? So now, boy, when I showed Jimmy this, I don't know if you're in here, Jimmy, but wow, do you guys remember when Jimmy's like, oh my gosh, there's a cheat code? Because let's say we got this, this is a double top, right? Everybody knows on a double top, most likely it's going to go down. But what if it goes up? All right. How about if you wrote a straddle on the double top? So now you've got a call and a put, and you placed your stop here, and you placed your stop here. Right now, some of your minds are just blown. I can sense it. Some of you are like, holy shit, you're right. This is next level. So now, if it does fly up, your put got stopped out right here, and now your call is taken over. You've now capitalized on either direction by simply having a straddle in place. I know. Hold the applause. I got a little bit more to go. Hold the applause. Hold on. Hold on. I see it. I see some of you really working it. So we're going to do the same thing here. Okay. There it is. Right. And there it is. There's your double bottom. Same drill. Call. Put. Stop. Stop. Comes in. Boom. Goes to the upside. Put gets shut down. And now we're getting paid on that call all the way as long as we want.